Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. We'll walk you through installing the Arnott rear coil spring conversion kit with EBM for the Lincoln Navigator, U326, and the Ford Expedition, U324. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. In the Information Center, locate and turn off the air suspension. Then start the installation by raising the vehicle and removing the rear wheels. Unplug the electrical connector from the air spring solenoid. Now, remove the airline from the air spring solenoid. Push the collar in to release and pull the airline out. Also, remove the retaining clip. Rotate the solenoid a quarter turn and pull down to release. Now, disconnect the ride height sensor and remove the lower shock mounting nut and bolt. Then remove the inner lower control arm nut and bolt. Loosen and remove the top 3 mounting nuts and remove the air strut from the vehicle to complete the removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's specifications during the rear coil installation. Install the coil spring assembly onto the vehicle and install the lower shock mounting nut and bolt. Now, install and tighten the mounting nuts and align the control arm. Using a floor jack, install the inner lower control arm nut and bolt. Secure the air hose and electrical connector in a suitable location. Then reconnect the ride height sensor. The remainder of the installation is in the reverse order of removal. For the electronic bypass module installation, first locate the air suspension module under the left side of the dash, between the emergency brake and the standard brake pedals. Now, unplug the 2 multi-pin connectors from the air suspension module and leave them disconnected. Pause the video to read the charts to properly connect the EBM wiring to the vehicle harness side of the 16-pin suspension module connector. All connections to the EBM will be made to the wire harness side of the larger 16-pin connector. Leave 2 multi-pin connectors disconnected while the EBM is installed. Thank you for following our guide on installing the Arnott rear coil spring conversion kit with EBM for the Lincoln Navigator, U326, and the Ford Expedition, U324. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.